Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Virgin TV Go app not working properly. So let's get started. So here we will just go to the search button and directly search for the Virgin TV Go. Okay. So here we can see. So if it's not working, you have to follow these instructions. So the first is to go at here and tap it on here. Then click on this I button and scroll down and go at storage and clear the data and use it. So if it's worked, then nice. If it's not, then you have to check for the update. I'll go to I go to google.com and search for Virgin TV Go app and install it. Let's run and use it. So third solution is to reinstallation. Go at here, then click on this and click on install button, click on OK. After that, go to the Play Store and install it again. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.